here. Five of us here, and Cole.
So this is the low loader with Cole as the driver here. We're going to be taken to pick it up.
Here, if you want it. Yeah. As long as I can get my slings out, you'll be laughing.
One run there. We could probably put blocks there. I've got.
You might have to move it across about 4 inches. Yes,
You're on your spring, so the spring's taking the...
Yeah. Right. Just fairly on the...
going to ask you on video what of your recollections of this as growing up and you know, when, because it was here while you grew up the whole of your childhood.
We were grandkids obviously, and I remember sleeping in it on a few occasions when we used to stay out on the weekend or whatever. Yeah.
So it was part of the family for like 60 years or so.
Yeah, it was a bit of a storage facility for my grandfather with all these little, like his precious items, I'd say, kept in there. A lot of clocks and scales and things like that.
So Phil, can you tell us? You did tell me privately, but just give us while we've got the video going on how it got landed at Elmore and so forth.
Well, from my recollection and what we got, he put in for a tender to the railways, and obviously it was the winning tender. They railed it down from Kerang to the Elmore siding. They lifted it off in Elmore and he put wheels underneath the carriage and then towed it out with a tractor from Elmore. And apparently they broke the crane when they unloaded it in at Elmore. They must have been a little bit too heavy, or they tried a little bit too much. And yeah, but he brought it out with the Fordson tractor. There's photos of that.
So when you say it was railed from Kerang to Elmore, it means it must have had to go into Bendigo and then out, because the Kahuna line goes up from Elmore to Kahuna.
Well,
and so it must have come down to Bendigo and then back out.
Because there's no line to Echuca.
No.
Right, well, there you go.
Mm.
That's what would have happened.
Yeah.
And
So has it always sat in this position?
that's been here ever since
Right.
recorded here.
Around
Yeah.
those doors.
Ah, very good. Well, in a couple of weeks it'll be the first time it's moved for about 65
Yeah,
years.
Yep.
Yeah. So,
Very good. Now we just got to secure it down so that it's not going to fall off, and we'll be able to get it going back to Kerang.
Let you know what's going on. I've never seen a track so wide. It's enormously wide there, the rail stuff.
just run the coal bay.
Yeah, that's right.
Don't say we didn't try.
You haven't got flags, no?
No, he's got him at home.
He's got his wide nose sign too.
At home.
Again,
Yeah, this one's good.
give him a bit at the gate and the job will be.
And she's away.
Don't stop for no one.
Going to follow him around or
Yeah.
Yeah, you can. Or you can go that.
amongst those trays.
Like you jump ship.
Huh? Yeah, yeah, I come up the road in it. I didn't come all the way, only up the road. And she's
Quick bite to eat on the way back. Just at the Elmore out. Point that this is the first place where this piece of machinery will have crossed paths with something of its past, when it would have gone down that line on its way out of Kerang 65 years ago, and here it is coming back into Kerang for the first time in 65 years. Leg now. People on the tennis courts will be saying, what the heck's that? Yes folks, the Koondrook Tram is back in Kerang. Well, the front half of it anyway. The other half of it with the carriage will come in a fortnight's time.